Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Kerala Institute of Spoken English. So I am back with a new video which is on the cue card topic. जहाँ तक मैंने बच्चों से सुना है ये क्यों टॉपिक अभी रिसेंटली पूछा गया है आइल्स एग्जाम में. सो आज हम उस टॉपिक के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. सो द टॉपिक इज describe a product or application which is based on artificial intelligence. बेसिकली बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम आती है इस टर्म को समझने में, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. पहले हम इस टर्म का ही मतलब समझ लेते हैं. सो ह्यूमन इंटेलिजेंस व्हेन मर्ज्ड विद टेक्नोलॉजी रिजल्ट्स इन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. जब एक ह्यूमन माइंड अपने सारे आइडियाज किसी मशीन में प्रोग्राम करता है, उस चीज को हम क्या बोल देते हैं? आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो रोबोट मूवी है वो एक बहुत अच्छी एग्जाम्पल मानी जा सकती है इसके लिए. उसमें क्या था कि जो डॉक्टर था उसने अपने सारे आइडियाज इवन फीलिंग्स तक एक रोबोट में प्रोग्राम कर दी थी. एंड उसके बाद वो जो रोबोट उसने बनाया था वो बिल्कुल एक ह्यूमन की तरह वर्क कर रहा था. We cannot even differentiate between a human and robot when they were standing together, right? I think आप सबको ये मूवी तो याद ही होगी. ठीक है. So moving forward, the term may also be applied to any machine which shows similar traits as a human mind, such as learning and programming. सेम ही मतलब है कि जब एक मशीन सिमिलर ट्रेट्स शो कर देती है ह्यूमन माइंड की तरह, वर्किंग जब एक ह्यूमन माइंड की चलती है, एक मशीन जब ह्यूमन की तरह वर्क करती है, उसी को ही हम बोलते हैं आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. सो नाउ ठीक है, we'll discuss about the cue card. The topic is describe a product or application which is based on artificial intelligence. Okay, these are the bullet points which are to be covered. What is the product or application? How you came to know about it? How useful is it? And how you felt about it? So all the 4 questions are to be included in the cue card and you have to speak for about 2 minutes. So now we will start the cue card. You can take the general line which describes what artificial intelligence is. Well, I described it earlier. You can take the definition from there. So starting with the cue card. First question is, what is the name of the product? Here I am talking about Alexa and now we will start it. So one fine day me and my friends were talking about the product Alexa and I was quite fascinated by its theme and I really requested my parents to buy me that product. And on my next birthday my father gifted me the product, the Alexa basically. So when I was very happy and excited when I got that gift. So till now we have discussed both the questions, that how I came to know about it and what is the product or the application is. Now we will talk about the third question and how useful it is. So we will talk about the features of the product now, that how it is useful. I'll continue with the cue card now. How it is useful is, it is very convenient for the people or for me to easily connect it with the phone and we can use the various functions which is provided by the product. Like while sitting at a particular place, I can just switch on the TV or the AC or the light, etc. And it has also helped me a lot in my studies as I'm preparing for the competitive exams. So whenever I ask a question, she replies back in a fraction of seconds. Also, on a single command, my work is done. So we can say that it is very user friendly. Moreover, my parents are very happy with her because their workload has also decreased. Till now we have covered all the bullet questions and the basic advantages of it are that it is very convenient, user friendly, and it helps in decreasing the workload, right? However, the initial steps to connect Alexa to the phone are very complex, but it is easy for the Z generation, that is our generation, to operate it. On the other hand, for the Y generation, that is our parents and the grandparents, it is difficult for them to handle it. So we have discussed the basic idea of the cue card, and if you have any other points, you can add to it. And if you have any queries or questions, do ask in the comment section. Moreover, your ideas are always welcomed. So bye for now, and I'll come up with new videos.